Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb, and in this video, you're going to learn how to use the Put Compliance Items API to assign custom compliance metadata to a managed resource in AWS Systems Manager. Let's get into it. Let's start by navigating to the EC2 service, then click on Launch Instance and give your instance a name. Select an Amazon Linux AMI, an instance type, then a key pair. I'm going to leave all the network settings to default, then expand the Advanced Details bar. Here, I'm going to select the SSM Managed Instance Core IAM profile so the SSM service can have access to this EC2 instance. Click on Launch Instance, then View All Instances. As expected, our My Linux test server is now in pending state. Next, let's head to the Systems Manager service, then click on Fleet Manager in the left menu. Give it a few minutes and our EC2 instance should show up as a managed node under the Fleet Manager. Let's head back to the Systems Manager's menu and click on Compliance, then hit Create Patch Baseline. Give your patch baseline a name, then select an operating system. In this case, I'm going to select Amazon Linux. In the Approval Rules section, I'm going to select All for severity and classification. Let's leave all the other settings to default, then hit Create. Now we are in the Patch Manager screen. Click on Patch Now, then select a patching operation. I'm going to manually select the instances I want to patch, in this case only one EC2 instance, and choose Do Not Store Logs, then hit Patch Now. Give it a few minutes for the patching execution to complete, then head back to the compliance screen. This time, we see our EC2 instance showing up as a compliant resource in the Compliance Resources Summary section. Now say we had an older version of Software X running on this EC2 instance, and we wanted to assign a custom compliance metadata to this managed node. To do that, we'll use Put Compliance Items API. First, let's replace the resource ID with the instance ID of our EC2 instance. For resource type, I'm specifying managed instance, and for compliance type, I'm saying it's a custom Software X. You also have the option to supply execution time in the execution summary, and in the items section, you can specify ID, title, severity, and status. For this example, I'm selecting a severity of critical and status of non-compliant. Next, let's fire up our AWS Cloud Shell and copy-paste the entire command. Use the List Compliance Items API to verify that our Put Compliance Items action was successful. Looks like it worked as expected. Now, let's refresh our compliance dashboard and confirm that the custom Software X is now showing up as a non-compliant resource. You can also go inside this resource to look at more details, such as ID, compliance type, severity, and execution time. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.